Welcome to the Datalynx official YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use bulk replace functionality in DMS Data Explorer. We have a few CSV files where text replacement is necessary. For instance, we need to replace st with street and dr with drive. To accomplish this, we will use DMS Data Explorer. Let's log into Data Explorer and navigate to Tools button under the General toolbar. Choose the Bulk Replace option. Bulk Replace text in Files screen shows up. Based on our requirements, we can choose the file extensions. In this instance, let's choose CSV files. We can check the Match Case checkbox if we want. Choose the location of the file folder where CSV files reside. Select Folder screen shows up. Choose the folder and click on Select Folder button. We can notice that the selected folder has 6 CSV files. In the Find What text box, enter the word st. In the Replace with text box, type the word street. Click on OK button. The dialog box appears, displaying Completed successfully. It also displays the number of files Data Explorer has processed. Let's also repeat the process for replacing dr with drive. Click on the Close button to close the screens. Let us now review the CSV files to see the modifications. As we can see, the text st is replaced with street and dr is replaced with drive in the address line 1 column. Let's also examine other CSV files. We can see Data Explorer has replaced this file as well. This becomes handy when we have a large number of files with large sizes. Data Explorer can do the bulk replace within a fraction of time irrespective of the size and number of files. Thank you for watching.